Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while, so I thought that for this video I would go through my process of setting up my new desk space. As you can see, my old desk space, it's not very optimal. There's a lot of cords everywhere, a lot of wires that aren't really organized at all, and also my monitor is a little bit too low. I have a really dodgy chair, but I'm not going to fix that in this particular video. Chairs are expensive and I don't really, I haven't gone and bought one, so I just have one from an old dining set, but maybe that's something that I will fix in the future or get a new one in the future. But for now, let's stick with the chair. Believe me, I know it's ugly. I did some ordering on Amazon. I got some simple cable, I'll pop a picture up here. I got some simple cable organizers. They've got an adhesive sticker on the back which you can stick to the back or the sides of the desk just to keep all of your cords, you clip them in and then they can sit really nicely on the desk for whenever you need to plug anything in. I got a couple of different sets and types, different sizes, and hopefully there'll be enough for all of my cords, which would be very nice. I also got it's like a cable cage. I think it's called the cable cage. It actually screws into the desk. This is my own desk, so I can just screw it right in there. All the cables can sort of sit there, whereas as you can see, they do tend to sit on the ground and it's really annoying to vacuum and it just collects dust. And it doesn't look very nice at all. The last thing that I'm going to be cleaning up will be raising my monitor. So I got a monitor stand that's going to, I think it's flat packed, so I might have to put it together. And it's going to raise my monitor up because as you can see, it's a little bit low. I want to make sure I maintain my neck and spinal health while doing a lot of study for this coming second year of nursing and midwifery. So without further ado, let's get into it. I have really held back on opening these packages, but now I can open them and I am so happy. First we hydrate. This is just cranberry juice, a little bit of cranberry juice in some water. And sometimes water's a bit boring. I sometimes do lemon juice too. Anyway. This one had a hole in it. How rude. I think I may have ordered some stuff for Mitch as well, which might be in here. Yeah, this is for Mitch's phone. And this is the desktop stand. I probably should have gotten scissors for this. One sec, I'm gonna go get scissors.
One eternity later.
I have returned with the scissors. Yep, it is flat pack. It's about the same color as my actual desk, if you can kind of see that color. And here is the cable tray. Just like that. These are the adhesives. I can't find where you open this box from. You open it. Oh, I see. You open it from the end, like here. So there's actually two because one is going on Mitch's desk and one's going on my desk. And these must be, that's enough for both of them. It must be, right? And these must be the screws. So let's get into it. I'm so excited. And that concludes the video, guys. Thank you so much for coming along. I hope you really enjoyed it. The plant that's currently on my desk after I revamped it is just temporary. I'm actually going to get a small succulent just in case it falls over and damages my tower or anything like that. We don't want that, so we will be going to Bunnings and getting a succulent that I'll put on my desk. So don't worry if you're worried like, oh my gosh, it's a very big plant to put right there, because it's not staying there. So if you stayed for this whole video, thank you so much, guys. Please like and subscribe. I don't have a regular time that I upload videos, but I do just upload when I find the inspiration and feel like I would like to record something in my life. And so it's really nice to have you guys coming along that journey. So until next time, I will see you around. Bye. Woo, we're a bit thirsty. A little bit of a risky setup here with the Toadster in my desk here. What yeah? You better not move, mister. I'm watching you. Toby, I'm watching you. Stay hydrated, folks. You should see the mess. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this mess. I'm gonna go clean it up now. Bye!